Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you didactic strategies for working with gifted students. Gifted people tend to have a good memory, a great capacity for attention and concentration, cognitive flexibility, and the ability to cope with new situations and adapt to change. Point number 1. Methodological strategy that teachers must take into account to promote active learning. Create a conducive classroom environment. Generate participatory strategy. Promote autonomy of learning. Favor the integrated and meaningful use of TIC. Autonomy of learning encourages oral or written communication of what has been learned. In short, facilitate active learning. Point number 2. For these strategies to be successful, students need to get involved in meaningful tasks related to real life, practice skills to learn to do, and apply knowledge. Have the opportunity to explore, interpret, build, experiment, obtain feedback to adapt their action at each moment of the learning process. Point number 3. Other educational strategies. Mentor program, independent student program, specialist studies of music in conservatories and music school, workshop, calls, etc., trilingual, baccalaureate, international baccalaureate, chess competition, Olympics, etc. Thank you for your attention.